Oh, baby. Well, folks, there doesn't seem to be very much tread left on this tire, does there?
Nope, not at all.
This is how deep the tread is supposed to be. That's how deep it is. So it's time to properly dispose of this rear tire. Alright folks, so last motovlog episode, while we have the stock gearing and stock tires on here, we did a top speed run. Found the top speed of the WR250R out of the box, and before we go put this new rubber on the Michelin AC10s, it's time to dispose of this rear tire properly. We're gonna go try to find somewhere to do a burnout. Oh, it's Tito. This intersection sucks. I think this Lexus let me go though. Thank you. Alright, so not really trying to piss on anybody off doing this on a public street, like in front of somebody's house. Just not trying to do that to anybody. So we're headed to some private property. Got a little wheelie opportunity here. Still gotta practice a little bit. Hello, Amazon Prime. Oh, beauty. Don't even have to do any illegal passing. Oh yeah, rear tire's already slipping out. Let's get rid of this rear tire. I think we're in third now. Oh, baby. Oh. Let's see what we got for a tire left. Oh yeah, it definitely took her down, but we still got a little work. Look at this thing, just caked. I'm sorry, bike, I know you're overheating, but I'm trying to make this quick. Oh my gosh, that stuff smells bad.
No shit, Sherlock.
Damn, we are so close to just getting all the way down to it here. I'm pretty blown away that this tire is just holding up this much. Of course, we got rubber everywhere. Literally fucking everywhere. Alright, let's finish this thing off. I might take a lap up and down this really quick just to give the engine some air. Cool it down a little. Alright, she's gotten her breather. I think the fan just turned off actually, so we should be good. Get her going. Second gear. Third gear, fourth gear, fifth gear. Let's go, baby, let's go! Woo! Ooh, I got the coolant light on. We're gonna let her cool down now. Alright, we're back at the, oh my. Yeah, we definitely polished this tire off properly. Wow. I don't know how this gripped like at all on the dirt road, because this is all that's making contact right here, this flat part. So we had a little bit of side tread and that was it. But any further probably would have gone through the tire. It feels quite thin. Can press in on it. So there's half of our tire right there. But I'm gonna pull off my wheels, run this new rubber down to Gyro at Asbury Street Car Care, and we'll be back in action for the woods. Put our 49 tooth back on as well, and get back to some woods riding.